How you doing, Mike? Innovative Door, CGU with 32-inch radius, insulated top glass with an 8500. Okay, CG is a 2-inch polystyrene overlay door with the insulated glass. You can see a little black thing in there. There's the big 32s. I'm going to hit the button. You can see how smooth it goes. I'm going to hit it back up. 32-inch radius because you got lots of headroom in here. You got the jack shaft right there. Push buttons down there. And you can see the two bottom sections are still in the hook. And the two top sections are in the flat. And there it is, the 32-inch radius. Beautiful. If you got the headroom, put 32s in. By all means, these things roll super smooth this way. For all the new people, new to the channel, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. I thank you. There's the lock. I thank you guys all for subscribing. Go out here. For all my subscribers, without you, it doesn't happen. There's the door. It looks beautiful. For all your garage door needs, Innovative Door. 32-inch radius tracks, jack shaft openers, carriage house doors, regular doors. 632-719-343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, too. We love you guys. We thank you guys, and God bless you guys. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video.